Okay, the water heater is in the utility room closet. And the flue should not have tape on it. It should fit better than that. So we've got tape on our flue. We've also got the water supply lines. Okay, they are not insulated. The temperature pressure relief valve is not insulated. And then this valve, okay, I don't even know if this is, it probably is. I don't know if this is even rated for, but you're not supposed to have a trap. See that loop? It can fill with water. Okay, temperature pressure relief valve drain lines are not supposed to have traps. Not supposed to have more than 5 90-degree bends. Okay, so it comes up there. Let's just call that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know, because the temperature pressure relief drain, okay, through this door. This is it, right over here. And it's not supposed to be closer to the ground than 3 inches, and it is. And it's not supposed to be constricted like it is. It's bent. It's concaved right there. So that's constricted. It's electronic ignition, so we're not going to see the burner compartment. We do not have a care and use manual. The gas line does not have a sediment trap. Our safety pan does not have a drain line. So you got a safety pan sitting there, but it's just going to fill up and overflow. So, and then what's the ventilation like in here? Okay, we've got that. I'm looking. There it is. Okay, so we got ventilation. So, what did we learn? We learned that we have a safety pan, we do not have a safety pan drain line. We do not have a gas sediment trap. We learned that we do not have a care and use manual. We learned that our flue is improperly taped, and we learned that the water supply lines are not insulated. We learned that the temperature pressure relief valve is not insulated. We also learned that this valve discharges too close to the ground, and we also learned that the end of it's crimped. Now, according to the city of Dallas and according to the municipal codes, we're supposed to have an air gap for the temperature pressure relief drain line. It's supposed to have an air gap in that. We don't have an air gap there either. These valves last about 3 years. This tank is 50 gallons, it's 11 years old. All right, we're on our way. I just did second quarter sales tax. We're halfway to 2021, 22. Okay, so water heaters, you know, is it working or is it not working? Performing the function for which it's intended, I get that. Or not installed properly, which it wasn't. Or it's a safety issue. But by the way, water heaters last about 10 years. All right, so this is 11 years, 12 years old. Let's say 2022, 11 years old. So this water heater, it might be working perfectly well, but you know, an 11-year-old water heater, it's done just about everything anyone would expect it to do. That's also a, looks to me like an ice maker. Maybe not. Okay. Wonder what that is.